This is my weekly market forecast of EURUSD, DXY, and GBPUSD, going over the higher type of general liquidity, where do I think the market should be heading to in a longer term basis. And as I said, as I told you guys for the past 5-6 months now, that our announcement for the past 6 to 7 months has been wonderful. We have started doing the weekly market forecast, since I think when I was around here. Eventually you could see very good technical analysis. I told you guys a long time ago to buy around here. Eventually they were going to over here, right? I told you guys to buy that 12-month CRT low with the 12-month CRT high, right? I've been telling you guys for the past couple months, 5 to 6 months now, I think so. I don't know, probably 7 months now, right? But let's go over it real quick before we start off. Make sure you guys join the Discord, link the channel down below. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, and let's get straight into the video. We have a 12-month CRT. 12-month CRT look at soup, going to 12-month CRT high. On a 3-month time frame, we have nothing here. We just got a key level supporting this, right? But does our 3-month CRT goal already got met, as I told you guys in the past. I told you guys in a 3-month time frame when the market was down here. I told you guys last market forecast, right? Yep. If you go check the last market forecast, I said the 3-month CRT low got souped. We're going 3-month CRT high, and 3-month CRT high just got met, right? You can see this reaction. It's not a random reaction. That's when the market pushed all the way back down, right? That reaction is not random. You can see the market souped at the 3-month CRT high, right? As I said, I've given you guys a signal from all the way down here to the 3-month CRT. When the 3-month CRT low got souped, I told you guys gonna go 3-month CRT high, and guess where the market went? The 3-month CRT high right over here, right? 3-month CRT low got souped. We went to the 3-month CRT high, and whoever caught that trade to the upside, wonderful, man. You made a bag out of that, and that's what we had on a 3-month time frame. 3-month time frame, drawn liquidity already got met, so we're not longer you're not looking for that 3-month anymore. But you can see the 3-month time frame is reflecting. You can see this big reflection to the downside happen from primarily this CRT, right? On the monthly, we have a daily range. You can see market pressure at a low, pressure at a high, made a stable high and a stable low. This is discount, this is premium, and we have a discounted IRL to premium ERL, which is points to the 12-month CRT high. You can see everything makes sense, right? We as well have a daily range here. Daily range discount of the daily range got met, so now we're going to daily range high right all over here, right? Eventually you can go from somewhere here. So my goal is here, right? For this next couple of months, eventually we keep on doing analyzation after that gets met, right? So now let's go over the weekly time frame. Weekly, we're currently going from a weekly, you see IRL to ERL. This ERL got met, so now we go from a weekly ERL to this IRL, right? What do I think will possibly happen on the weekly time frame? Because we have a weekly CRT low and a CRT high, and market is right inside of it. I believe if we go down to the short-term drawn liquidity, we could possibly determine where the market should go first. Should it go here first, or should it go here first, right? In our weekly time frame, it's hard to decide where the market's gonna go. But in the daily time frame, using the short-term drawn liquidity, as you guys know, in our ETU free Mastermind Safety Bootcamp, we have talked about the short-term drawn liquidity and long-term drawn liquidity. And short-term drawn liquidity is phases that leads to the long-term drawn liquidity, right? So how do we know whether will the market go super the CRT low or CRT high first? It's simply by using the lower time frame, the daily, right? Daily time frame is is the short-term drawn liquidity. The weekly time frame is the long-term drawn liquidity, right? So now go to the daily time frame. Fighting our short-term drawn liquidity here is we have multiple things here. Okay, first we gotta go here. We have a daily range, right? Market pressure at a high right over here. Well, that doesn't even matter if you pressure at a high or low, right? You can see market pressure at a high, pressure at a low. You know what I'm saying? Or you could just go from here, right? Market pressure at a low right over here, right? Eventually pressure at a high, and eventually made a stable low, and eventually made a stable high. This is premium, this is discount, and you can see premium reflecting out of it. Discount right over here. So in premium you want to buy. In discount you want to buy, in premium you want to sell, right? And what do we have here? We have a daily ERL, right? You can see this, this high right over here, or this high, whatever, right? We have a daily ERL to IRL. There's a small fair value gap in daily time frame. So we have a daily ERL to IRL. Eventually we can go from a daily IRL back to ERL. Eventually go right back down. So in what I see on the weekly time frame, if the CRT high or CRT look should whatever should get, and the weekly time frame, I believe the weekly CRT high should get should get priced first before the weekly COT low. Because we have EURL to IRL, then we can go from this EURL back down to IRL. But keep in mind, you could potentially just skyrocket out of here, just go up higher, right, without waiting. But what I'm saying, nothing's impossible. All we gotta do is just adapt, right? Because right now is on this current price point, this is where I see, right? So market go, be different tomorrow. I mean, on Monday it could be different, right? It could give us a whole different bias. But this is what I see as of right now. As you guys know, for the past 6 months we've been correct, which is fantastic. 90% correct accuracy. I think 95%, right? There's never been a time where we're wrong. I mean, the only reason I say I have a 90% accuracy is to humble. Second of all, is in crypto is when we have like an 85%, right? Crypto, what I'm saying? If we combine our market forecast and our crypto market update, we have around like 85 to 90%, accuracy. But in crypto and EURUSD alone, we have 100%. We have not been wrong for the past 6 months, right? But we could definitely be wrong, right? So there's gonna be times the market's gonna be hard. There's gonna be times where the market is easy, right? So you can see right over here on the daily time frame of a daily range. This is premium discount. How did this daily range market pressure at a low? Had eventually pressure at a high, stable low, stable high. Eventually this premium discount right over here. Eventually this fair value gap right over here. It's a discounted IRL, right? This fair value gap is a discounted IRL. We can go to premium ERL. So discounted IRL to premium ERL, as well have a daily range discount of the daily range just got met. So we could go from a discount of the daily range to the daily range high. Eventually go low from there, right? So how do you know if the CRT high on the weekly time frame will get priced first or the CRT low will get priced first? It's simply by using the short-term location, which is the daily time frame. The short term is the daily, the long term is the weekly, right? For a day trading trader, right? This is my weekly market forecast. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Make sure you guys join Discord. Link is down below. And I want to see you guys on Discord. And I'll see you guys inside the Discord. Peace out.